One of the most vital fluids under your hood is often the most misunderstood, and getting it wrong can destroy your engine in a matter of minutes. Antifreeze, also known as engine coolant, is a colored liquid, usually green, orange, or pink, that you pour into your radiator. Its name is a bit deceptive because it actually does two completely opposite jobs. First, as the name suggests, it contains chemicals like ethylene glycol that lower the freezing point of water. If you just use plain water in your engine during winter, it would freeze, expand, and crack your engine block, turning your car into a giant paperweight. But importantly, antifreeze also raises the boiling point of water. Engines operate at incredibly high temperatures, often above the normal boiling point of water. Without coolant, the water would boil off into steam, causing catastrophic overheating. This fluid also contains rust inhibitors that prevent the metal parts inside your engine and water pump from corroding. You should never mix different colors of antifreeze because they use different chemical additives that can react and turn into a sludge that clogs your system. Most cars require a 50-50 mix of antifreeze and distilled water to offer the perfect balance of freeze protection and heat transfer. Checking your coolant level is easy. Just look at the translucent overflow tank under the hood. But never ever open the radiator cap when the engine is hot, or you risk severe burns from the pressurized steam.